Hello friends, in this lecture we will see multi-axis roughing. So we will get this option under this multi-axis, and here we have this multi-axis roughing, and for this multi-axis roughing we can create this roughing operation for the 5-axis program for 5-axis machine, and we can use end mill, bullnose mill, ball mill. This kind of tool we can use for this roughing operation, and here we can use uh, part offset or adaptive cut pattern for our roughing operation. So here we have this roughing. Okay, so just first I'm going to define a tool. So click here and I want to create a tool, and tool is milling. Diameter I'm using 15 as a dia, lower radius 2.0, and length 75, fruit length 15 I'm using. Okay, and click here to see this tool properly. Okay, now go to holder, and I'm going to retrieve holder from the library, milling and drilling. Okay, and I'm using this medium compression tool holder. Okay, so my tool is defined. Now I'm going to define workpiece. So this is my part, select. Okay, and blank I have already created a blank, so show. Blank is also a geometry, so this outer one is a blank. Okay, and after this if you want to hide this you can hide. Okay, so this is the part, and workpiece we have already defined, tool I have defined. Now I'm going to use multi-axis roughing operation, especially for 5 axis. So click this, and program is my folder, milling is my tool, and workpiece and mill rough. Okay, here first I have to specify the drive geometry, and this drive floor I am using this bottom surface as a drive surface. This drive floor stock 0.5 mm is a stock, and depth mode is offset from the floor. So according to the floor it will offset and it will create the tool path, and I will show you when it will generate. And cut level 80% of flute length, or we can specify number of cut like 4.0. I want 4 cut in this material, and intermediate level cut, bottom up cutting, wait, we will see later. And my cut pattern is adaptive. I'm using adaptive cutting with zigzag, and the step over is 60% of my tool. Okay, and from non-cutting smooth transfer move for corners, so I'm selecting this one, and let's generate it. And again we will make some changes, and here it will take some time because it is working in 5 axis, so it takes time. Go to this main, drive geometry is okay. If it is not working, if you are facing any kind of problem, so go to this, and here we have the flip material. So direction of my material is this side, I'm going to flip it, so arrow will change. Okay, and generate again. Let's see the result. It will take time, so have patience. This multi-axis roughing operation is available in this 19 series only. In NX 12 or NX 11 this option is not available. So this is the result, and this is adaptive milling with zigzag and step over is 60%. and I want to check, and this non-cutting move is also smooth. So let's check it. So this is the result. Okay, and now I want to change this cut pattern from adaptive to follow part. That time this pattern will change. Let's see the result. So this is the follow part pattern. See, and now I want to see the verification. So in 3 dynamic, okay, this is the result. Okay,